Conveniently located and meticulously maintained, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom rambler offers both charm and functionality. The exterior features durable steel siding, a new roof, 2022, maintenance-free soffit and fascia, and a maintenance-free deck leading to the oversized 2-stall garage. A private well is available for exterior watering, and the property is equipped with invisible pet fencing for added convenience. Inside, the main floor boasts an open kitchen, dining, and living area filled with natural light from the large windows. The dining room features a built-in desk and hutch, providing additional workspace and storage. The lower level offers 2 versatile family room spaces, one with a cozy gas fireplace and the other with a countertop and cabinets, ideal for entertaining or hobbies. The spacious mechanical/laundry room includes a sink, washer, and dryer, all staying with the home, and offers ample storage throughout. With 2 main floor bedrooms and a full bath, plus an additional bedroom and 3/4 bath downstairs.